If you have ever played a multiplayer game, then you probably have this issue before. You want to play your favorite game with someone that is not connected to your house Wi-Fi through the internet. Well, it is possible, but you normally need to open a port in your router, and that does not always work depending on your ISP or if you even have access to the router. It is also not very secure to allow a port to always be open. That's like not locking a door because tomorrow you will go through it. No, a better way is to use tunneling. In this case, tunneling is used to bypass the need of opening the doors, instead using the ones already opened for web browsing. In order to use tunneling, your PC connects with the help of a program to a reverse proxy, which is a server that manages the connection between you and the other player. Instead of the player connecting directly to your PC, they will in turn connect to the IP address that the proxy server has, and it reroutes that connection to your PC through that software. And there are many tunneling software out there that one can use, many for free and some even open source. There is a list of them I found called Awesome Tunneling that doesn't have all of them but has most. I've tried C-Rock and found it works fair enough. However, for gaming, I've been using one called Plate.gg. It has little latency and apparently no artificial bandwidth limit, even with the free version. This is the one I would recommend for that use for gaming, and it's easy to use too. All you would need to get it up and running is to download the correct executable for your OS and run it. It will appear in a command line window and give you an ID number and a link. If you click the link, it will ask you to log in or create an account, though you can use it with a guest account too. I already have an account, so I will just log in. Then you click continue to create a new agent, and you name it as you like. Once you see something like this running in the window, it means that you can now go ahead and create the tunnel. To do that, you go to the tunnels section, click add tunnel, and then you select the protocol that the game uses and the port. If you don't know them, you can check with the documentation of that specific game. Most of the time it is ODP, the one you will need. And that's all there is to it. Now, while the Plate program is running in the background, every call made to the link and port that Plate gives you, which is this one in this case, will be rerouted to 127.0.0.1 the port that you specified. By the way, every IP address starting with 127 just means your PC, so in this case it is your game. I use Plate to play the Descent source port DXX Rebirth with people on the internet. Even though it apparently should work without it, it has not worked on my network for some reason. Well, I hope you found this useful. See you later!